Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to lock and unlock objects in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to lock and unlock object. Go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose the this device option and insert a image. Click insert. Now we can see we insert our object or image. Now we want to lock and unlock this. Select the image, go to the picture format menu, select selection pane option. We can see here the picture. You can lock this, select this I button and unlock this, again select this I button. Now we can see we lock and unlock image in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.